here we are at the amenity area at Titus Park, and I'm going to show you what we have to offer here. A nice, generous size pool area. Lots of deck chairs. A nice shower area to shower off afterwards. And I do believe in the picnic area over here we have some built-in grills, but let's take a look and find out.
I was like, what is this? No, I was like, what is it, Mom? You say it isn't bad, dog. I've been here for a minute.
Let's see. Well, it looks like we have a bathhouse over here. Hey everybody, do we have any built-in grill areas or just a bathhouse type area? No built-in grills over here? Okay, I was just curious. I didn't know exactly.